Hey there, folks. If you're excited about getting started with your new Go2Bank secured credit card in 2025, you're in the right spot. This card is a fantastic way to build your credit while keeping things secure, and activating it is quicker than you might think. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have your card handy along with any details like your card number, expiration date, and CVV. The activation process typically starts through the Go2Bank app or their website, which is super user-friendly. Begin by downloading the Go2Bank app from your phone's app store if you haven't already. It's free and essential for managing your account. Once the app is installed, open it and log in with your existing Go2Bank username and password. If you're new, you'll need to create an account first. Don't worry, it's straightforward and only takes a minute. After logging in, navigate to the Cards or Account section, where you'll find an option for Activate Card. Tap on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your card details. Now, carefully input the required information: your 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV on the back. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Next, you might need to verify your identity. Go2Bank often requires a quick security check, like entering a code sent to your phone or email. This is just to keep your account safe, so go ahead and complete that step. After verification, hit the Activate button, and voila! Your card should now be active. To confirm, try making a small test transaction, like adding funds or checking your balance. Remember, as a secured card, you'll need to have funds in your account as collateral, so top up if necessary. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, Go2Bank's customer support is available 24/7 through the app or their website. Activating your card is a smart step toward better financial habits, so pat yourself on the back for taking control. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.